Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu sitaweza. Uwepo wako Bwana uwe nami. Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu sitaweza. Uwepo wako Bwana uwe nami. Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu sitaweza. Uwepo wako Bwana uwe nami. Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu sitaweza. Uwepo wako Bwana uwe nami. Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu sitaweza. Uwepo wako Bwana uwe nami. Ombi langu Bwana wangu, peke yangu
Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for coming on board. And we begin this session. Being a Tuesday, and we have good setups because I love Tuesday all the way to Thursday. All right. And the market always aligns itself. All right. Welcome, Jovial. And as I welcome the rest who are watching us also from online and all that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. So we are starting all the way with fundamentals because we have some news which are running right here. As you can see, Trump already said around here that I think I can connect to the screen. Okay, I think you can see. Jovial, if you can hear me and you're seeing the screen right away, type 1 if you can hear me. Type 1 if you can hear me, and I'll appreciate. Okay. Nice. Thank you. All right. Okay, now we start with this because I've seen Trump has said that they're on a way to make a deal. So this means is about peace. This to make the market at least to normalize at normal conditions, because yesterday was haywire because of his tweet. Okay. I think the tweet yesterday, there was a tweet that was shared yesterday because of Trump around midday. So it makes at least the market to go whatever, do the hell or they want to do. All right. This was the news that time. I believe you can watch and hear. Okay.
The futures are spiking on that Truth Social post from the president that the U.S. and Iran have had productive discussions. I just spoke to the president. President Trump said that discussions have been very good over the last 48 hours, very intense discussions. I said, well, with whom? I thought, you know, there aren't a lot of leaders left alive. He said they have representatives. Obviously, that's been one of the things that that Iran has tried to say, that we've got a structure more than any one person. The president went on to say or insist that this is regime change, because it's totally different people that were involved in the last regime. I would imagine some of the people are the same. This is the president's take on that, insisting that it's regime change. He went on to say the great meetings, great conversations, and hopes that within the next 5 days something very substantive can be arrived at for the end of hostilities. So you heard some of it on the speaker.
I did. You just had him on. Look, this is significant.
So that means the normalcy of the market, it is way going lower because as you can see, let me put some, let me put something here, and we have some good opportunities right now happening in the DXY market. Okay, I want to open a new one for DXY because I like to check on the DXY how now the dollar is gaining momentum on simple naked chart. Just a minute. So it means the market is regaining the everything. It's regaining the pattern because now he was making the dollar to be stronger and oil to shoot higher because of this war. So as you can see, this is the DXY. Mostly it's good at least to check on the 4 hour. You see, what is the market telling us about the strength of the dollar? All right, as you can see, it has been all the way bullish. All right, it has been all the way bullish, as you can see very well. And till the high, which was marked by this higher high. So the high and higher lows were being created because the market was bullish since the war was making at least commodities and US stocks to fall. All right. Right now, you might hear now the dollar normalizing and coming bearish. By breaking this level, it will be nice. This means now at least commodities and others pairs will be lit. So here, this is a breakout. Breakout dollar weakness. I'm seeing something like that. Dollar weakness will be seen. And we'll see now if the dollar will become weak, meaning the cross pairs, which has the quote currency with cross currency as the other pair, like example, gold, silver, anything with the USD. There's a base currency and the quote. The quote is a dollar. So it means here, yeah. Don't know if I had written something like this. XXX USD. Okay, sour. So, as you can see, XXX USD, meaning the core currency having, ngoja, wait, XXX USD. Yeah, so, here, I want to make it bigger. XXX USD will become, mostly bullish if, no, bearish, no. This one is USD XXX, where the USD is the base currency. This means it will become weak. So can give it a red, kind of. All right. And then this is B, bullish. All right. So it will be bullish. And the market could go like that. USD like that. All right. It will become weaker. All right. Bullish and bearish. This bear market. Mm-hmm. This is red. And then this is, hey, I want to take positions right now because I see opportunity on US 30. This is bear market, this is bullish market. If will happen if the dollar DXY becomes weak. All right. Think yellow be red. Text to be black. So I believe you understand what I mean here. All right. I want to make you at least anyone who has entered, you can be able to unmute. Unmute themselves, yes. Oh, unmute themselves, yes. I'll start the video. So this is what will happen most likely. And as you can see, it is awesome. High floating. If time DXY becomes weaker. Bullish market. All right, so let me copy this page and share also to the team. Okay, inner circle. Where is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? On the inner. Okay. And then I'm sharing somewhere that is here. And also, so you can save that. Mostly that is analysis. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think there will be better. But here, yeah, people who are in my channel, they'll get the reason. The reason behind it is because of Iran deal happening since Monday talks between Trump and executives. All right. Astro, I believe you understand. So we have opportunities here coming, and we want to see what is happening here on the US 30. Right now the dollar index is plunging, as you can see, like in the last 1 hour, what's happening? Yeah, it has gone at least a bit bullish, as you can see. Yeah, I haven't put the latest ones. Okay, so don't follow whatever is. I haven't put the latest one in. Let us just understand how the market is doing. Okay. Yeah, and indicators, the one which you have, new ones. This is the BMM sniper. Okay, but I'm not putting in this chart because I like this chart to be naked, force to be naked. So because of this, you'll see a bit bullish. You'll see gold and silver going a bit low, and US 30 indices. Okay. Now, US 30 and Nasdaq, we are currently moving low. So for me, I'm taking Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq is a good pair. I want us to check here. Do you know why I'm looking at this? Because the market has done what? If you look at this, before we go to the AI, first is to understand where are we. All right, I want to remove all this noise, and then you have this correction. Good. This one didn't go the way it was. All right. And we have the lowest low, which was already smashed here. I mean, it was already swept. Okay. And currently on the 1 hour, what did you have here? The market came and had a resistance at this level. You see very well. Technical is good at least for you to understand the market. Okay. Forming what? Forming the, we have the swing high. Forming this, let's say somewhere there. And then we are forming a swing high. And the market what? This one didn't reach whatever it reached. Didn't go to the highs, just reached there. But I was at break even. So we have the swing high. And we have the swing low. So within NASDAQ and US 30, obvious, you choose one, okay? Don't trade all of them. So this is the swing low, the low of the day, the low of the day, the low of the day. And having done that, because you can see like on a H4, look at the H4, what we're looking at. The market is bearish. You're looking at bearish momentum. So we want to take these cells like crazy to come and sweep this market low, which was created yesterday on Monday. What this was the Monday Asian low, okay, which was created. So the market is likely to come there. So right now, what have we done? We have broken the break of structure, the structure that is the current low, and now we may retest it. Okay, and now we are going to test it. So we are moving with this NASDAQ, and you can see clearly. What is this? Is this sort of pro Liberty or something? Sometimes I usually follow Liberty. Yeah, Liberty is a good one. Liberty. BMM. Liberty. If you're not there, so we can use this BMM sniper. Let me see how it is working. Let's see. Yes, Liberty. Let me post it off. This was yeah. We are going like this. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. We have TPs already. Nice one. Let's drop. Let's drop right now. So based on this NASDAQ around here, I'll put NASDAQ based on this. We are going long. We are going short, I mean, from around here. All right. This is our area of entry, waiting for that retest to happen. And we're aiming for this low up to TP what? TP4. Okay. So this is the, I'm aiming on this. So if you want to ask a question, ask, because right now I'm entering this market as we speak on NASDAQ cells on the higher account. And today, aiming for 0.5% up to 1%. So I'll be, this one is P1:2. Mostly, this is the low, okay. I mean, I'll do this, and at least this low, yeah, for 1:3. 1:3. So I'll risk here about 250 so that I can take also a currency. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for this pair on 15 minutes to come like this. We are coming here to retest, and then we drop with it like another crazy lady. All right. Right now we are retesting, so I can put this. I can draw a rectangle here, and then I put an alert. So because at least we can catch it fast, let's see if it breaks here, we'll take, but we want at least a good precise location around here. this is a good place to make that sell. So let's wait. And if you have any question, drop them as you listen to which one? I mean, all right, ask the questions, drop the questions as we take. I'm aiming on risking about 152 pips to get 500 pips on Nasdaq drop. So I'm going to a bigger account. Nice one. That's where you see setups. So what we'll see, if you can hear me clearly, because the sound is just at the background, type 2. Type 2 if you can hear me as I talk. Hello. So I'm just waiting for this. Wow, silver is good. Silver is ready. Silver is ready to drop right now. I'll put it in my big account. I'm waiting. Yeah. So first of all, this big account I'm putting on NQ100. Okay. Oh yeah. As we wait for that, there's silver. Silver, we are dropping with this. This we are dropping. I'm dropping with this because the market is bearish, while DXY is bullish a bit. So around this here, I want just to know how much is this, all the way to here. Maybe dropping up to this TP because the current low. Lower low. So how much are these pips? How much are these pips? This is about 285 pips. 285 pips. 285 pips. So I'll be forcing it to the EA. So I want the codes of this. I want the EA to take. I want to force it. Godza. Wait. What the hell? Why is not? Let me pause this. Don't know why it's not being paused. Anyway, I'm saying we have. I want to share the screen itself so that you cannot blab. Okay, nice. Now what I'm doing, I want to make just to see how much are these. These pips are about 285 pips on this okay, and I'm seeing a sell here. It will be a good drop of a sell around here because right now we have done what? We have broken here. All right. Now what I'm seeing is a bearish engulfing very well and a good area. So here I want at least a good, let me see, inactive ones, and then I take any just some codes here for GJ, but I'll change because I haven't automated yet. I want to force with this first. I'm going to webhook because we use our webhook for automation. I want to force it on testing, like to be a real account, to be a real one. So what I'll do, I'll go and set trading view alerts here, and then first know how much lot size is my silver. So my silver is about 285 pips, 285.5, and then 285.5, so 285.5 is a place to give me the lot size, and then I'm risking $250. Okay, calculate. So which I'm using how much? 0.087, 0.09 or something. Yeah, 0.09, 0.09. So I'll come here. Account 1, silver is noted as. Oh man, I think. We should do. Let us finish with silver first. This one is connected to Nasdaq. I mean to a big account. So here I'll do for Nasdaq right now. For Nasdaq right now. Yeah, but for silver, I'm not doing here because it's not connected. So we're taking manually. So here I'll just take it manual so that I switch to. I'll take it in my 10K account for silver. For silver. Man, Nasdaq is coming. XAG. So this one is for 10K for silver. And silver, I'm risking $50. Because it's 1% or 100. 1% today. Calculate 0.03. All right, silver, I'm putting some 0.03. I can't put anything on this pair. My account is a bit disabled, but it will work anyway. What's happening? So let me go to the bigger account. No worries, I'll check on it later. So me, I'm taking Basi Silver right now on 50K Basi. Silver will go with each to $50. To $50 for 50K account. 0.08. Silver, where you chat? Oh man, it's going down like 0.09. Okay, and silver we are aiming for. If I'm taking here, I'll have to reduce my side. 2.74, I need 3 lots. Okay. I'm over here. One is to 2. So my SL will be 69.31. 69.31. 313. TP, I'm taking this low, 61.02 based on TPs. 61.026. Okay, now we go to Nasdaq. So Nasdaq will have to lower because now this our entry is about here. And then I'll have to lower this to be 2.3 risk, because we're aiming for this low. Aiming for that low. So 143 pips. What the hell? Why am I 0.09? Modify position. Oh, close position about 0. Yeah, my risk is high on silver. My risk is high on silver. Oh, what the hell? 250, 285. Oh, this one is how much? 285. Let me see this silver first. It's about 270. 270. So I'm supposed to have 0.09. This risk is high. Goes about 69.31. Oh yeah, it's good. It's okay. I think. Don't know why. I think let me reduce. Close 0.0. Mm, 0.02. I'll reduce it later. I reduce it later because 0.09 is very low. It's very high. I mean, or basically on my risk. When it comes to profit, I'll reduce it. So I want to take this Nasdaq. Nasdaq NQ. Where is the NQ? Just reduce it anyway. No worries. So let's go to Nasdaq NQ 100. Yeah, the best entry was here. Right now, I need to do another 250. So basically, based on this, I think I calculate with sell stops. Yeah, so about 250. The 250 is about 143 pips. 143 pips on Nasdaq. I don't know if you calculate like this. So it's supposed to be 143. It's written here. 4320 to be points. 14320. 14320. Most likely 1.7. Is it what 1.7? Let me see. 1.74. Yeah, sell limit, sell stop. I want to see how much that will be. SL. The SL is here at 24,175 above the high. It's good to put above the high on there. 154. Around there. 144.9. 144. 144.90. 1.72. Yeah. 1.72. How much will I be risking on the risk of about 24,177? That's the stop loss. 24,177. There. Yeah, that's about 250. Okay, 254. 1 point. I want 250. 697. So based on my side, the $50 will be 1.7 lots. I've sold. Then I'm modifying it. Add stops. What is my stop loss of Nasdaq? 27. Entry is this. Profit is this. Profit, take profit. And my stop loss is at 24,177. TP 223, 1:3, but I'll be taking 1:2. Obvious when it reaches there. 23, 598. 598.3. That will be a good risk to reward modify. You have done so. That will be risking about 242 USD. Not bad. So I can put it higher so that it risks 250. 249 is okay. Modify like that. So aiming for the low, 1:3. Then as I finish here, I want to know 1:2 is where, so that I mark with an alert. So 1:2 is around here. 1:2 is around here. Even instead of this, I place an alert. 1:2. 1:2 RR. Okay, apply, save. Okay, that will be my Nasdaq. Okay. Man. You know, this silver is retesting. I want it when it comes here. I want to reduce my risk because the risk was a bit higher. Because this is about 270.2. 270.2. And the best entry was here, this area. Here's the best entry. That's the retest that you're waiting for. That's the retest. Anyway, it will come back. Because I'm supposed to risk about 250, 290 or something. That is very high lot which I've made. But it will come. We have a bearish engulfing already seen on this area. But now you're above the demand zone, you see? We are above the demand zone, and I know checking on 4 hour, it's a bearish market. Be cautious with this because we're on this demand and supply zone. That's good. That's good to see. That's good to see. So let's see, because it broke this, it has a bearish engulfing. And most likely, we don't want to be trapped right now. And looking at the dollar, DXY, it's just doing the bullish thing. It has not broken, so it means silver and gold, it's retracing back down. So here, let me reduce my risk. Let me reduce by risk. Because I'm not supposed to risk such. Oh yeah, my risk is a bit higher. Close partial. This is very high. This is very high. Don't, cause you see, we on it has broken low, yes, and I'm coming at least for it to sweep. It will be good to come even at least this low, cause you have a bearish. There's momentum. There's chance to sell here, and then now we can go up when the dollar now maybe during New York when it goes down. So I'll just wait on it. So based on silver here to 70.27. Let me change to silver. Mm. Mm-hmm. To 70.27. To 70.27. 0.09. Why is it telling me this? Supposed to risk to 50, but here based on my side, 0.09 is higher. So I'm supposed to, when I close like this, yeah, like that. Yes. When it comes down, I'll close. But right now I can't take that partial. All right. I'll just wait for it to come down. Because this is just a pullback. Nasdaq going well. Oh, retests. Video. Yeah, it has come to where we wanted at least to take these positions. All right. I'll just wait upon it to see what will happen, especially this silver. Coming down, silver breaking low. Silver has really changed. It is coming down. Okay. That is awesome. If I've risked like that, I cannot be able to. He is supposed to be out. BMMV3 indicators. Invite only BMM sniper. Okay. He's giving us a buy. Giving us a buy, but not ready. The GJ is not ready yet. If I take this, oh, GJ is supposed to be naked chart. Naked chart. open anyway. Move this. We were done with this long time ago. Around there. It only hit there. So I'll go for a buy here. If it breaks above this high, around there. So it's good. I'll usually check what's happening. Yeah, breaking above this buy to be good. To be good for long term. Yeah. So I'm not taking it right now. Let's GG on the naked one. I'll just stick to what's happening here now. Yeah. Okay, so time for dropping Q&A because right now, yeah, Ali Mohammed, thank you for coming in. Right now, I've taken silver with the wrong lot, again, and I need to reduce this. Hope you're well, eh?
Yes, yes, again.
I want to reduce this lot.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's supposed to. I'll be taking this. I lose 97. Let me close partially. I've closed partially because I'm supposed to risk 280 something. Cannot be able to modify this, so I'm closing 0.0. Maybe $100. Yeah, I've reduced. Oh man, even if I've reduced, SL is still 94. Okay, let me wait for it. I hope it will come down. So I'll just take that because this will recover the sell. Because right now, as you can see, the way market is, the sell is you can see we have strength in the DXY. You see this candle, and the dollar index is a bit higher. Yeah, DXY. So I'm looking forward for today New York to break here so that now, because there's the deal of Iran and US is normalizing the market. So it's good at least for it to come down during the New York market. So it means now silver will go higher. But right now, I'm looking at, silver is at a demand zone. You can see critical zone.
Yes,
So
yes.
there's something called an order block, and order block which is here, which can create kind of a support. Yeah. And we have broken the low. All right. We have broken the low. This is the low. This is the low here. Here. This is the low. Clearly sees that sales are coming. We have bearish engulfing already. And then price retested to this level, which is a fair value gap. Very good. Supporting the sales. So you can see this is a fair value gap, and basically on the SMC terms, and then is a bearish engulfing candle supported by another one. So right now it's a retest. So we need to retest to this OB, order block. This is a bullish order block. All right, order block is where orders stated by big banks, they are well set, okay? So let this candle ends. It's ending in 27 minutes, in 1 hour, 27 minutes. Yeah, so as we hold, we see what will happen likely, because more things are supporting the sales here. Yeah, but my order wasn't right, because This wasn't right. Closing more. 994 divided by 2. Should be 400 and something. It seems I'll be taking this 271 loss. So I rather wait. Let's see. Because we need to see the kind of forming low. Yeah. Because here was the right move. Even Nasdaq is going, it is retesting, and this one is moving down. So you see, this is silver, and then I went to calculate, I calculated to 70 pips, or it's supposed to be 2,700. Or it's supposed to be like this. 2,700 pips. Oh, it's supposed to be that way. So I'm supposed to take 0.01. Yeah, I calculated wrongly. Not 0.09. Supposed to be 0.01. So I'm supposed to reduce the whole lot. 0.5. I think I have 0.07. I take out 0.01. I've taken 0.07, right? I'm supposed to take 0.06. Yeah, so that will be better. 0.06. But now closing 0.06, it will be negative $347. It is not good. So I'd rather wait to see what will happen, because the loss is not good. That loss is not good. So I'd rather wait, because we have lots of things supporting this sell. Yeah. I had put wrongly. Do you know this silver did whatever it did for me last week, but one on Friday, because I took a wrong lot. I had to close quick. So I wanted to reduce. It will come down, I believe so. And this just something. So here is what we have. We have this kind of here support. You see, I mean resistance, which was former support. I want to see what will happen. Ken Kinoti, are you there?
Yes, I am.
You're trading live or what? Or learning?
Learning.
So let's see what happens. You're just learning, that's good. All right. Want to see how even the US 30 is restoring. This one is a sell, correct? This is a sell, a good sell. Showing very, very clear. But now we are taking this Nasdaq. And if I reduce 384, I took a wrong lot. I'll just give it time. Just give it time. So I'm sharing the setups in the Astro team. So I'm sharing the setup in the Astro team. Just a minute. Yeah, Ali have accepted in the chat, in the group, but now people who will pay now because they're starting the master class from tomorrow on Astro. So people who haven't paid, because class needs to be paid. They don't want to be here in trading setup. So enjoy today. I think I told you about this, huh? Ali, are you there? Abdullah, Silver, XAG, USD. This is the demand zone. Will act as support. Dollar index. If dollar index goes bearish on H1 to daily. That's for silver. You told you look at what? Look at what? Look, starting to sell. Can you see now? Can you see Mohammed? Can you see now? That one has retested the way it has given it. That's a candle that is retesting right now. Ali, maybe you're busy. The candle is retesting, it's coming low. And it will be nice. Let's see how it closes, because we need this 20 minutes to 1 hour candle. It has retested very well, showing weakness. This is the demand zone. So with that, also I'm looking at Nasdaq sells, because we are selling this Nasdaq. Short position here. And we're aiming for this. This is the low. Yeah, it's called the buy side liquidity. There's a liquidity forming here. If you want to know more, by the way, I should add this called liquidity levels. No, where was it? Look up. This one. No. Wasn't this? Liquidity levels. There's a liquidity level of forming there. There's this. Oh yeah, order blocks. Yeah, order blocks. Select that to put. Yeah, to show you where order block are likely to happen. So this is buy side liquidity, or is a buy side liquidity. Yeah, where there is some form of liquidity forming here. And also I can call it support and resistance. I think I've named everything here. Yes, I like that. This is better.
There is nothing we can see. Sure.
Oh, can you see here? I was just naming, I had removed the cell, so that is it. And then silver, what do you think? What do you think it's doing? It's trying to find the silver then. Let me share this Nasdaq. Bear market is about a bearish market. And then it will buy maybe during New York or continuation. That is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is in 1 hour. Silver price is sitting on a demand level where buying orders are set. Mm. This silver, this one. I have to reduce the loss. Yeah. Took a bad lot on keep calculation. Instead of 0.02 to 0.09. Hey. Yeah, that's the announcement you have seen, huh? Yeah, so may believe this will be coming bottom because I'm waiting just for this. What is this now? There's no buying momentum there. Ali, are you there? You have gone quiet. There's no buying momentum in most likely the current market. There's no buying momentum. A negative 400 only. Then I'll reduce this lot by 0.01 when it comes here back. So let's see what happens, and then let me close the session for the online call, because here we have people who are watching, I think so. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have views. We have people who are watching, I think so. Thanks for watching. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so right now I'm closing the online stream, and we see how the day takes us. Okay. Yeah, so currently, just to close in a few minutes, before I close the stream, I want just to, it's on full screen, right? Good.
Charles,
So yes.
why is the silver so slow?
Silver is not slow. Right now, slow. Right now. You're asking about right now, the current movement.
Yeah, current.
It is slow because it is retesting. It is retesting that former support. Can you see? That's a sell. That's a sell that you're waiting for. So it is currently, we were to enter here, just we have entered it because we saw it not dipping. So this was the retest that we waited. So the best entry, if you have not made an entry, is here. All right. The best entry, the best entry is here. This was the best entry to enter. Right now it's closing bearish. Yeah, like I can take, I don't want to add more, but 0.01. If you enter 0.01, you'll be risking around, let me tell you, you'll be risking $97, 100 USD. Basically, if it's 69.34. If you enter around 0. That was the best entry. If you enter with around 0.02, you'll be risking about $200. So for me,
Okay.
I can sell and then reduce the lower one. I can sell it right now. I've sold 0.02 to risk 200. My risk today is about up to 1% because I'll be reducing it when it comes down. So this is about 200 there, and then TP. It's risky. Don't you can enter when it closes faster. And then TP I can put it at $500 or somewhere here. Modify, but now you enter a position and then it's not even clocked there. I'm not supposed even to enter second position because the first position the risk is higher. I'll just wait for it to come down. It's supposed to close well, close low. It's supposed to close low. It will close low right now. That candle.
Is there any other currency that is
It's not ready.
showing?
DJ is not ready. DJ is not ready. You can see even in the high time frame, we are not ready. That's what I'm saying. Clearly, you can see. Can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah.
silver. This kind of a support now. Okay. Yeah, so this whole area until it breaks, that's when we'll go for the. I said, GJ, you're not ready yet. But now, so I'm taking GJ if it breaks this high now for a buy.
When it breaks, that's when you will take. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
I can see. Just put an alert there.
I've put an alert. Yeah, you just put an alert, you forget about it.
Put an alert. Gold is really smashing people like nonsense.
Gold. I removed gold from my charts. I removed it. So here it is low because it is retesting right now, and you're supposed to go down. Yeah, there is weakness coming. There is weakness coming. Let's see. But you have to understand we are sitting on a demand zone. Like, yeah. So I wanted to talk about what is happening this week. Tuesday today. You have Euro pairs. These are weak news, and then you have the pound flash CPI. So I believe GJ will be moving around 12:30 after this news. This pound flash manufacturing PMI. Yeah. To be moving around this area. So we just wait. And yeah.
There is to be patient until 12 of that.
Until 12:30. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so we have until 12:30.
And at the evening, is there any danger?
You have US for 45, yes, flash manufacturing PMI, this data from the labor market. Yeah. Let me put in the news circle of fundamentals today.
And Charles, I'll have to learn on how to read the news, how to interpret the news. Is there any class?
Yeah, BMM offers some classes, but you don't have the class packages yet. So for me, I'm teaching on the Astro Chinyamaji, okay? Because that's my brand, and I'll be teaching people also on the fundamentals. I have the whole class about fundamental. It is in the intermediate class, and I'm starting
Okay.
tomorrow. People have purchased, and already, that is
At how
let me
much?
share also. Yeah, it is at $200. As you can see, I'm giving an offer. You can see this. Let me share to you. Okay. I'm giving out an offer. Just a minute. Let me. Let me share to you first. And stop the recording. Thank you guys for who have at least watched this video webinar. Thank you so much. May you come and meet us tomorrow, another day. And this is Astro Wall Street, but sponsored and in partnership with BMM. BMM is all the way to go with AI. Cheers. Have a good luck for people who are online. All right.
To you, sir.
I'm just let me put the put it off just a minute.